Welcome everyone, and today is a great day. Why is that? Because it's car season again, right? Everybody loves to get their cars out and drive them around and go to car shows. Well, today was Caffeine and Gasoline of Tulsa, so Caffeine and Gasoline Tulsa's first car meet today, March 17th. I went to it. It's still Saturday. I've had a long day. Cleaning the car all night to get it ready sucked. Okay, it's a black car. It sucks. So it was a great show. 200 cars. You know, it was about 9 a.m. to noon, something like that. I'm sure there were well over 200 cars there. We were just kind of limited by the parking space, I guess. But that was a really, really cool spot to do that. So, you know, shout out to Kurt for putting all the hard work and effort into Caffeine and Gasoline Tulsa to make it what it is today. Without his hard work and sweat and due diligence, we wouldn't have anything cool. Just straight up. So props to Kurt. You get a salute. I also want to give a shout out to Adam, William, and Justin, 3 guys I spent most of the day with. You guys are awesome. Learned a lot. Had a great time. Your guys' cars are awesome. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the future, which leads to the Tulsa Auto Show that's coming in April. Caffeine and Gasoline has been invited, so Kurt tells me, that back to that Tulsa Auto Show. So we will be the parking lot just south of the entrance by the Tulsa Driller. And last year we were there, it was like insane. There were like 500 cars there. So if you're like to get a car show in before the Tulsa Auto Show, go check that out. That'll be a blast. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just filmed it on my iPhone. It was kind of like a walkthrough during, I don't know, probably about midway through the meet. There's a little bit of everything. I'm not the best cinematographer or whatever you want to call it. So I'm working toward getting that GoPro, man. Something to give me a little bit better advantage on the videos. I kind of have it pointed at the ground, but I don't want to offend anybody, by pointing it in their face. So if I'm pointed toward the ground, that's why more often. But it'll get you through it. You'll see a lot of cool stuff, and feel free to pause the video and check stuff out. It's good enough quality. You should have no problems checking out some stuff if you want to just hit the pause button. So it'd be neat to check some of that stuff out. There's, like I said, a wide variety of cars, so there's a little bit of a funny moment I threw in there just for kicks, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
These are just regular cars. There's some more cars on the back row. This guy's got a 462. This one.
Okay, so.
Want to say hi?
She walked out and saw the dog. She was like, "That dog sees me too."
So I was like, there's hundreds of thousands of cars.
I didn't even realize you hooked her up with the.
It's St. Patrick's Day.
Hey, how's it going? Good. Kelly, this is my wife, Jackie. This is Kelly. It's my boy here.
That's your healing. This is sweet.
Ventura.
This one's got some better seats in it.
Lotus.
It didn't want to stop. But once I got it started, it's like getting the third right out on the corner.
It reminds me of like what's that game? Touchdown.
That is probably the nicest Infinity I've seen. That thing is slick.
They're still trying to go.
Turbo sobs.
The front end looks like.
Probably met that guy. 300C.
I've seen this one before.
It's a long trip. I hope you're sitting in the back of the bus.
We're over here. We're not. I can't get out right now. So we're gonna probably get over there. Be there. Yeah, I know. I got one. My son's doing great.
Louis GT350. That's awesome. McLaren. Street speed like that. got air right out of it. 72.
Well, that's a fire extinguisher.
The optimal turbo,
Crazy.
we actually developed that 8 years ago.
Roush. Roush Warrior 679. Roush charge. It's like a Roush kit.
You don't see that.
Holden. Chevy SS was a Holden.
Yeah, that is. He's a Suncross.
Yeah. How's it going, man?
462. All right.